If you're new to Shopify and you're just setting up Dawn, you might notice that your product images are huge. You might want to make this a little bit smaller and have some more space for the text, and I'll show you how to do that. It's very quick and easy. In fact, this video is just a quick update on an older video that I made on this topic where I showed you how to edit the code to make this image smaller, because that's what you had to do back on Dawn version 1 and version 2. So if you're still using those old versions of Dawn, you need this video, but most of you watching this right now in 2024, you can do it much easier than that, and I'll show you right now in less than a minute. So starting from your themes page here, you're going to go into your theme customizer, then navigate to any product page. So I'm actually going to go back to those joggers that we saw, and here in the sidebar are your sections and your blocks. So here you actually want to click into the section, the product information section here, and you'll find a setting that is called desktop media width, and you can simply change that to medium or small if you want, and it takes up less space each time. Don't forget to save the page, and if you've already set up maybe some different templates for different types of products, then make sure that you go to your other product templates and do that again. One last thing I'll mention, I also made a video about disabling the zoom on images, because that was also something you had to do with code 2 years ago, 3 years ago, I think. And now it is also much easier. Here we have the image zoom setting. It's also just in the product information section. So if you want to disable this zoom right here, then just select no zoom, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing and checking out my other videos. I'll see you next time.